It started out so promising. Then she started fucking all my friends.
Damn.
But I don't trip cause them some real niggas. And I don't trip cause I'm a real nigga.
For sure.
She was the only love I ever knew. So naturally she was the one I gave my heart to.
Yeah.
But all my love couldn't even reach you. And you called us hot boys, so we called you Keisha.
Okay.
Can't turn a hoe into a housewife. But I wanna see what that mouth like. That's what I get for thinking with my dick. But my dick in your mouth was a perfect fit.
Sure enough.
She had more ass than a little bit, so she shared it with everybody in my clique. I told myself I could never ever love a hoe.
Nah.
But this hoe got my love and a little more. I felt blinded and a little crazy, but I smiled when she told me that she ate babies.
Oh yeah?
She wouldn't let a single drop waste. One time I had enough to paint her whole face.
Oh man.
I paid her with a check called reality. When I fucked the homegirl, she got mad at me.
What?
She on that 9-piece. One call. She sucking 4 dicks, so she licking 8 balls.
Oh.
This don't mean she a bad person, but when it came to being wifey, she wasn't worth it.
True.
But a nigga gon' put a ring on it. Better him than me, but she don't agree.
Shit.
Now she say she want a second chance. I'm like, no, baby, this the last dance.
No.
Don't get mad, keep doing what you do. I save you in my phone under crew love, boo. When I met you, I was all in, but you tripped on little shit like Facebook friends. I think I need to let it go. If the hoe want a hoe, nigga, let it go.
Yeah.